What's up everybody, my name is Josh Eskridge. I'm a fashion photographer and studio owner here in Miami. And today we are with the V-Flat World team in Adorama, and we're walking the Boardwalk here in Miami Beach. And basically we're just interacting with people, getting random people in front of the camera, utilizing the V-Flats in different types of situations to show people what are all the possibilities that you can do with these things, so that you can create all different kinds of looks and moods with models outdoors, and to show people that you don't need all the expensive studio equipment. Like, it's really just about your imagination and interacting with people. So follow along. All right, nice to meet you. All right, thanks for being willing to do this, man. I love your outfit. So what's going on here is that we're using this as a white background, and it's basically to give it like a studio type setting, but we're also trying to get something that, like, I think it's cool because it complements your outfit there. So have you ever modeled before? No. You seem like a natural. Rock that outfit, dude. Awesome. I think we got it.
Good, you got it?
Yeah, hey, well, we're all photographers. Yeah.
By the way, she shuffles.
Do you really? Yeah. Can you shuffle? Do you need music? So that's the sun there. We're blocking that off. We're creating nice soft light here because it's basically just gonna wrap around you. It's gonna make you look beautiful, I promise. Thanks everybody for watching this episode of Street Studio. We hope you enjoyed the situations that we had interacting with people using V-Flats. Don't forget to subscribe to Adorama and V-Flat World, and stay tuned for more episodes.